Hello, everyone. I am very happy today. We are here to practice English together. Don't worry, we will speak slowly and clearly.
Hi, Emma. Hi, friends. I am also very happy. Yes, relax and enjoy. English can be easy and fun.
Hi, Daniel. Good morning. Wow, you look happy today. I am really glad to see you. How are you? I always like asking this question because it is very easy and very friendly.
Good morning, Emma. I'm fine, thank you. I feel good today. The weather is nice and I slept well. When someone asks me, "How are you?" I feel happy inside.
That is great, Daniel. So today we will learn simple English phrases we can use every day. Our first phrase is, "How are you?" It is easy, it is polite, and people use it every day.
Yes, you can say, "How are you?" to your friends, your teacher, or your neighbor. And you can answer with, "I am fine," "I am good," or "I am okay." Very easy English.
Exactly. English can be fun and simple. No stress, just smiles and easy words. Okay, Daniel, are you ready to learn the next simple phrase?
Yes, Emma, I am ready. Let us learn another simple and useful phrase. I like learning English this way. It feels easy and fun. No headache at all.
Yes, learning English should be happy, not scary. So our second phrase is please. This word is small, but it is very important.
That is true, Emma. When you say please, you sound kind and polite. For example, you can say, "Please help me," or "Please sit down." People smile more when they hear please. Please is like a magic word.
Yes, please is like a magic word. You can use it at home, at school, or in a shop. For example, "Please give me water."
And when you use please, people want to help you. I always say please, even to my little brother. It works most of the time.
That is funny, Daniel. Okay, we have learned phrase number 2. Let us continue the third phrase. This next phrase is very simple and very important. Our third phrase is thank you. We use it every day, many times a day.
Yes, Emma. Thank you is a very nice phrase. You say it when someone helps you or gives you something. For example, "Thank you for your help," or just "Thank you." Easy and sweet.
Exactly. When you say thank you, people feel happy. You can also say thank you very much. That means you are very happy and very thankful.
Yes, my mother smiles when I say thank you very much. Sometimes she laughs and says, "You are welcome." That makes me happy too.
That is so nice, Daniel. English is not only words, it is also kindness. So remember, always say thank you. It is small, but it is powerful.
I agree, Emma. Simple words can make big smiles. Okay, I'm excited for the next phrase now. Let us go on to the fourth phrase. I'm ready and smiling. What is the next simple English phrase?
All right. Our fourth phrase is very important too. It is the word sorry. We use it when we make a mistake.
Oh, yes. Sorry is a very useful word. You say it when you are late or when you do something wrong. For example, "Sorry, I'm late," or "Sorry about that." It happens to everyone.
That is true, Daniel. Nobody is perfect. When you say sorry, people feel better. It shows you are kind and honest.
Yes, one time I stepped on my friend's foot. I said sorry very fast. He smiled and said, "It's okay."
That is a good example. Sorry can fix small problems, so do not be shy to say it. It makes life easier and happier.
I agree, Emma. Simple words can make big smiles. Okay, I'm excited for the next phrase now. Let us go on to the fourth phrase. I'm ready and smiling. What is the next simple English phrase?
All right, our fifth phrase is very important too. It is the word, can you help me? This phrase is very useful in daily life.
Oh, yes, Emma, I like this one. When you don't understand something, you can say, can you help me? It saves the day.
That is true. You can use it at school, at work, or at home. For example, can you help me with this? People are usually happy to help.
Yes, I ask my friend, can you help me with my homework? Sometimes he helps me, sometimes he laughs first. But he still helps.
Friends are like that. Asking for help is not bad. It means you want to learn.
I agree, Emma. This phrase is easy and strong. So now we know many simple phrases already. I'm excited for the last phrase.
We did it. Today, we learned 5 simple English phrases we can use every day. They are easy, friendly, and very useful. Learning English can be fun, right?
Yes, Emma, English is not scary at all. We learned how are you, please, thank you, sorry, and can you help me? These phrases are short, clear, and perfect for daily life. I feel more confident now.
That makes me so happy. Remember, practice every day. Use these phrases with your friends, family, or classmates. The more you practice, the better you become.
Exactly. And dear viewers, we have a question for you. Which phrase do you like the most? How will you use it today? Please write your answer in the comments below. We want to read them.
And if you enjoyed this conversation, please like the video. It really helps our channel. Also, subscribe to learn more easy and fun English with us. Learning together is better.
Yes, subscribe and join our English family. Thank you so much for watching and learning with us today. See you in the next video.